Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the lookalike audiences option, which we get to use inside the Facebook ads account. So lookalike audiences are going to be an audience category which we can create based on the custom audiences which we have built on our Facebook campaigns. So as we spoke about it earlier also, so custom audiences are going to be of various types wherein people either they're coming through our sources, which is basically people interacting with our website or our Facebook page, or it can be through Google meta sources as well, wherein we are targeting certain types of audiences which Meta has shared with us. So now, based on these custom audiences, we can create a lookalike audience, guys. A lookalike audience is going to be a type which will be similar to the type of custom audiences we have built out. So Facebook now will look at audiences who have similar traits as the ones which the custom audiences have in our campaigns. And this will increase the reach of the users to whom we would like to show our ads and target our ads to. So lookalike ad audiences turned out to be very effective in terms of reaching out to more people with similar interest. So a good part with lookalike audience in Facebook is we can create any type of lookalike audience for all the type of custom audiences we have created in the account. So let's have a look at this, guys, how practically we can set it up in the campaign. So once we are inside the account, guys, we can go to specifically audiences where we can start creating this particular type. So here you can create an audience which can be lookalike audience. So the first thing which Facebook will ask you to select will be a lookalike source. So as we spoke earlier, so any custom audience which we have created can be the source over here, or we can create a new source altogether, a new custom audience to start off with. So whichever way you want, you can do this. So let's say we're selecting an existing custom audience over here, and then we can select an event with value or other event with value. We can give the value of it as well. We're looking for purchases or revenue specifically that we can define out here. In addition to this, we also need to provide the audience location, which is the geographical location which we want to target for this particular lookalike audience. So you can just type the name of the location in this particular manner, and you can do that. And then finally comes the select audience size. So where we can give a percentage of the custom audience which we would like to target. So here Facebook gives us a slider with which we can choose what percentage we are going to use. So as you can see, the more percentage you increase, the reach of the people also increases simultaneously. Another important thing which you need to remember here is the more is the percentage which you specify, possibility is there that the audience, the lookalike audience, that much might not be that similar to the custom audience which you have provided. So a better suggestion which Facebook gives is to keep this percentage lower, let's say 1 or 2%. So that way the quality of audiences which you will be targeting here in this lookalike audience will be very similar or look alike to your custom audience. So this we can keep over here. As you can see, with 1%, we are now able to target around 2.78 million people out here. And with this, we can create the audience. So now this lookalike audience is getting created, which we can then go ahead and use in our campaign. So let's have a look at that also. So once you are inside the campaign, let's say we're going into this campaign, we can go to the ad set level where we would be applying this particular lookalike audience. So here we can come to the audience targeting part. Here specifically, we can choose the audience lookalike audiences. And over here, we can select the audience which we have chosen. And in this way, it gets linked to a campaign, which can then be shown ads to. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand how a lookalike audience gets created, what is the use case of it, and how you can practically use it in a campaign to target ads to these audiences. I hope this makes sense. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today, and I will see you in the next video.